This is the new Bonneville Speedmaster, the all-new British classic custom built to deliver an authentic British laid-back style with all of that timeless Bonneville DNA. Not only that, but it also shares many of the Bobber's engineering innovations and that stripped-back style, from the hardtail look to the really accessible minimal stance. But unique to the new Speedmaster is a host of classic British Triumph custom features, from those stylish swept-back beach bars to the fixed rear mudguard, all the way to that distinctive nacelle detailing on the front headlight. On top of this, we have a twin and a single seat setup as standard, with an accessible low rider and pillion seat height. As you can imagine, this has been designed with customization in mind, with over 130 accessories for more style, detailing, comfort, and even luggage. And to give you an idea of what's possible, Triumph has created 2 inspiration kits, starting with this highway kit for even more touring capability, with a full pannier set, a comfort seat, and a touring screen. Or the flat-barred Maverick kit, which brings out even more of the Bobber's stripped-back attitude. So there you have it, the all-new Bonneville Speedmaster, the new British custom icon.